Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a lovely day. A few weeks ago, we launched some Tussar Silk Katha stoles, and a lot of you messaged me how you wanted full suits in those kinds of stoles and you wanted different colors as well. So, we decided to work on that and we got some different kinds of colors for Katha Tussar Silk stoles, and we got different hand embroidered kurtas made for it as well. I'll show you one of them. Here is the kurta fabric. You have a beautiful detailing. It's all hand embroidered. You've got katana work, you've got mirrors, you've got resham work, all of it. You have tiny booties around the kurta and you have this beautiful neck design. This has been paired with this lightweight, absolutely lightweight kantha silk stole. You can wear this stole just like that. You can wear it along with the kurta. You can wear the kurta with another dupatta or anything if you want. These are full length stoles, except the width is less, so they're very easy to carry. So we've got different kinds of colors in them. You can see how minute, how detailed the work is in the entire stole. You have tiniest of stitches possible in the entire stole that has been filled with different kinds of colors, and this kind of work is there in all of the stoles that there are. So one of the combinations is this beautiful gray and a blue. I'll show you other combinations. There's this peacock blue kurta with a beige tussar silk stole. Then you have this green with a beige as well. You'll see how the color combinations have been set to match the dupatta perfectly, the stole perfectly actually. Then you have this beautiful katha cotton silk fabric with this beige stole. Again, the colors have been matched perfectly to the stole in order to ensure that the entire look is complete. Then you have this beautiful maroon. This is one of my favorites. Again, this is a little on the heavier side where you have katana as well, so it shines in the beautiful light like diamonds. Then that's been paired with this beige tussar silk stole. Then you have this again a katha cotton silk kurta fabric with a beige stole. Then you have this is also beautiful, a very unique combination. It's a peachish hue on the entire kurta, and the stole is this beautiful purple shade. It's such a beautiful purple. You can pair it with all different kinds of things. Pure tussar silk. Then you have this green again with a beige. In this you don't have any neck designs, you just have different kinds of booties all over the kurta along with the beige tussar silk stole. Another one of my favorites is this beautiful white. You have the booties all across, no neck work, and this stunning black stole. You see, you can pair these stoles with anything. You can pair it with jeans as well. You can pair it with jeans and top and have a different kind of outfit ready. A couple of more of them left. Another bottle green with a beige. And the last here is this maroon with a beige. Most of these are raw tussar silk colors. The beige that you see, that's the color of tussar silk. So it hasn't been dyed at all. And the embroidery has been done with resham and cotton threads both. Here, all of the embroideries on these necks have been done with resham threads, some with zari, some have sequence work, some have mirrors, some don't. So it depends on different kinds of patterns. We really do hope you love these suits. We'll be launching them today on the website by 6 p.m. And we really do hope you love them. Thank you.